Hey, what's up, folks? Troy here, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about Mailbot and simple commissions. This is going to be a partial review, but I just want to share what I feel can be a little bit misleading, and I want you to avoid that. So be sure to watch this video through to the end. If what I share with you makes sense, you get some value from it, then feel free to like, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. But just watch this video from beginning to end. So the thing that I want to share most is that done for you and completely automated are not the same. And I think some people in the home biz niche, thanks to AI, they try to sell their programs as completely automated, and that's false. There is going to be some work involved done for you. In the case of Mailbot and simple commissions, means that the content that's created, the emails that are sent out on your behalf, promoting not only Mailbot, but promoting multiple different home biz programs that you might be currently involved in. There are done for you systems in place, which I'm going to share with you now, but there's no such thing as completely automated. So the page that you're looking at right now, I am promoting a program known as Save Club. I love this opportunity. And with this particular case, Mailbot promoted and is promoting Save Club for me, as well as two other programs that I'm currently involved in, and it's sending emails out on my behalf. So what happens when I share my Mailbot email address and people take an interest and they click on it, when they enter their information and they opt in, this is promoting my offers. So in this case, Mailbot sent me an email: good news, your lead. Obviously, I blocked out the person's information. Just click to check out Save Club, and then it gives me the lead itself, the email address. Again, I blocked this information out, and it gives me a timestamp, the date and time that this person wanted to know more about Save Club. Same thing here, right? Cardly is a free digital business card that I share with people to help them build rapport, build relationships with the people that they're connected to. And this works incredibly well for, let's say, social media marketing. But again, another lead clicked on cardly.me. They created their free account. Pretty much the same words. Hey, Troy, good news, your lead. Just click to check out cardly.me, the timestamp. So if you're wondering, will Mailbot promote your offers, this is proof. Can you make money with simple commissions in Mailbot? Absolutely. And again, it doesn't only promote itself, where you have the ability to collect unlimited $100 commissions, but it promotes multiple offers on your behalf. Here's $100 that came in, right? You see my name here. This came in directly to my Cash App. And then today's date, September 1st, 2025, this payment came in for $150. You can see my name here. So yes, you can make money with this, not only promoting Mailbot and simple commissions, but whatever it is that you choose to promote. And these are interchangeable. So let's say you decide, hey, I just joined this new program. I want to use Mailbot and simple commissions to promote it. When you go through the onboarding for Mailbot, which literally you can do in minutes, it's extremely user friendly, you could change these things out. And also, let's say you don't have a business. Well, you could use simple commissions and Mailbot as your standalone business also. All right. So let me know, if you're getting some value from this, if it makes sense, if you get the idea, shoot me over a like, comment. I'm more than responsive. Subscribe. And what is Simple Commissions and Mailbot? So Simple Commissions is the program itself. Mailbot is the AI email assistant that pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers. You can automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. And I don't care if it's network marketing, affiliate marketing, direct selling, whatever it is that you're involved in, consulting services. Um, what I recommend is really simple. Look, a lot of people, and this is based on my own experience of being online for years, a lot of people try to connect with people promoting their business, right? So let's say you're involved in health and wellness. You're reaching out to people, the 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 people you're connected to on social media. Hey, do you want to take a look at my business? Your chances are significantly low doing that, simply because guess what? These people that you're connected to, 90% of them already have a home business. Guess what they're not looking for? They're not looking for another business that they have to invest in. But if you are leading with a tool such as I am, and what I'm teaching my team to do, if you're leading with a tool that solves people's problems, what's the number one thing that people need to be focused on? Generating leads, building their email list, right? Relating to their subscribers. So when I share this with other individuals, I already understand that 93% of people, and this has been proven, that have a home business do not have success. A lot of people join 10 different deals in a year and don't make money in any of them because they think that it's the business that's failing them, when in reality, it's their marketing, right? So when you lead with something that solves problems the way that I am with Mailbot, people are open to that because they understand it's going to help them in the programs that they're already currently involved in. So when you get access to this page, very, very important, you're going to want to watch this 3-minute video overview further explaining Mailbot, how it could benefit you. You're going to want to scroll this page. You're going to want to check out what this AI system can do. Again, this is not completely automated, but it's pretty close. And the one thing that you're absolutely going to want to do is get a free demo so that you can personally see how Mailbot works. Look, since I've been using this thing, it's a lifesaver for people that don't want to create content. The system does it for you. You tell it what it is that you want it to do and set it and forget it, and then you move on. But you want to get your own free demo. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, you can go to my description right below this video. You'll get instructions on how to get a free demo for Simple Commissions and Mailbot. If you're viewing this from an email that you got, you can go back to that email right now, scroll to the bottom, click on that link, and it's going to bring you to this page. Hey, thanks so much for watching. I look forward to helping many of you and seeing many of you have lots and lots of success. Go ahead, get your demo now. And with that being said, I hope you have a phenomenal day. Once again, it's Troy. Take care.